Have you heard about the new animation feature in Canva? Today, you're going to learn one way to use it when designing for a YouTube community post. Let's go to Instagram size. If for some reason it's not up here, then you can go to social media, Instagram post. It will create a blank one for you. Go to Elements and type in Grid. Click the one panel grid. It's right on top. Now let's get two images. The first image is going to be our outside announcement that there's something new. Typed in new, went to the Photos tab. Here is something that says new. Bam. Now that you have your photo, you're going to choose what you want for your background. For the one that I did, I chose a chalkboard. Right click, set image as background. So now I've got the grid with the photo on top and a plain chalkboard on the bottom. And the reason why you need a grid is because two photos can't sit on top of each other like this without one trying to take over the background. T on the keyboard for text. Type in your text, white animation. I'm going to choose to press uppercase. I want it to be white. I'm going to give it a text effect. And background, I'm going to choose red like the image here. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to put this back in place so that I can choose how big that I want the text animation, or the text box rather. This is where I would like for it to be. Right click, send backwards. We've got this. What else do we need to do? Right click this and duplicate it. On the second page here, we're going to get rid of this. So it just shows image with white animation. Go back to the first one. It's time to make magic happen. We're going to click the timer, 3. Apply to all pages. Click the grid image, animate. We need to scroll to find the new animation called wipe. You might think it's fun for this one to go on exit. If you have Canva Pro, you can choose your speed. We're going to slow this one way down, and you can also choose your direction with Canva Pro. I'm going to point it downwards and click out of it. Now let's see what that looks like together. Drop. The reason why you need the second one is because this one is leaving on exit, so you want there to be enough time afterwards for the person to get what the announcement is. How can we put this on our community tab? Share. We're going to go to file type and then go down to GIF. You're allowed to share GIFs on your community tab. Click download. Community tab. You will see that I've already put it up. In fact, I put it up 16 minutes ago. Click image. Select from your computer. So here we go. You type in your message and you can click post, or you can schedule your post for another date and time. You don't want to miss a single video from this playlist because you're going to learn all the different ways you can use Canva for your YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for your kind comments and questions. I might be biased, but I think y'all are the best. If you like today's Canva tutorial and want to see more like it, make sure that you are subscribed, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye!